Alright, so now we are on the conic sections in which the circle is part of it. So why do we call it conic section and why is circle a part of a conic section? So please bear with my drawing. I'm not so good with drawings and hopefully you will understand the theory. Why is circle included in a conic section? So let's say for example, from the word conic sections, it's from a cone. No, apa daw na siya. So, it's a cone. And then, if you are going to slice, pag slice mo daw nato ning apa, siya. So, we are going to cut that into half. So, we can see a circle. Tama? So, ma-form siya og circle if we are going to cut that into half. So that's why circle is one of the conic section. We also have what we call parabola. We also have what we call hyperbola, and we also have what we call the ellipse. So they have different na paghati, no? So for parabola, diri siya gi-cut. So mag-form siya ginana, di ba? Pag mag-cut ka. Then for um yeah, for ellipse, ikat nimo siya pa slant. So pag ikat nimo siya pa slant, um, it will form an ellipse as well. Okay, so just don't mind about that one because we will discuss that more later, no, about sa theory. But again, sa circle, it's part of a conic section since ang pagkat sa yaha is ang isa siya is sa pagkat sa cone in which naka-form siya og circle. So, what is a circle? No, a circle is a set of points in a plane at a fixed positive distance, which is called the radius from a fixed point. So, guys, diba, we have already discussed about lines. So, lines are also set of points. No? Pero ang problema is, not a problem, but the difference is that line is a set of points na straight. No? It can form a line. In circle, it's also a set of points, no? So it formed a circle. So here in this graph here or in this figure, we can see that this is a circle, a perfect circle, na may tatsa, hamis, and the center of it is what we call H and K. So we can see here na ang center is at 0, 0 or is at the center, no? Sorry, the center here is at the x and y axis at 0, 0. While here, ang center niya is not defined, not definite. That is why in figure 1, we have the formula x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Nga naman, from this point to this point is what we call the radius. No? So, from this point to this point, that is the radius. Okay? Then this is x, right? This is x. And this is y. No? So, that is why we have the formula of x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. But if you have a center, so nag-change na yung formula. Again, this is still y, but you have k. Ang k is the point sa imuhang center, sa imong circle, no? Kani si h or si h is the x na point sa center sa imong circle. That's why x minus h siya. And using the Pythagorean theorem again, we can derive this formula here. Okay? So remember that the general equation of a circle is ax squared plus by squared plus cx minus dy plus e. Okay? So that's, for example, 4x squared plus 2y squared plus 3x minus 4y plus e. So inana ang pag sulat niya. Okay? So let's say, for example, we have this problem. Okay. Give the equation of the circle with center 3 and negative 5 and radius which is 2. Okay. So, pangitaon na nato equation kay class. So, dili siya giingon kung standard form ba or general form. Again, it depends upon you unsa inyong buhaton pero kung unsa ang nasa choices mo to inyong pilion. Okay? So, given ang center which is 3 and 5, negative 5, so meaning the center is not at the 0, 0, no? So if you're going to graph that one, that would be 1, 2, 3. So modo ni ang center sa circle, right? And ang radius is 2. So radius niya is from center to a fixed point. So kani. So mag ano po ka dire? Duha pod. So kung dire po ka duha, duha, duha. So you can form a circle out of the radius na gihatag. Perfect. Yan. Okay, once again the radius is 2. So you're asked to write the equation of a circle. How are we going to do that? Okay, with the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, you can get the equation of the circle, which is your h is the center, which is 3. So x minus 3, hold on, 3 squared plus your k, so that's plus 5, is equal to your radius, which is 2 squared, is equals to 4. Okay, so you can actually uh, expand it to find the general equation na lang. So, to be uniform, pag wala naka-state kung unsang klase na equation, you just write it in general equation. Alright? So, that would be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 4. We are going to simplify that one. So, magiging x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y. 9 plus 25 is 34 minus 4. So that's plus 30 equals 0. Which makes this one as your general equation and your final answer. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, so express 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 2x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 in standard form. Okay, wala pa nang divide 2. So for this one, how are we going to make it into form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared? So remember the principle of completing the square. You are going to remove or eliminate first the coefficient, right? So therefore, that's 2x squared. Dividing mo 2, tanan. So that would be x squared plus y squared minus x plus 3y minus 3 halves is equal to 0. Okay, group all x and all y. Completing the square, di ba, ana man, plus y squared plus 3y plus blank is equal to 3 halves, transpose 3 halves, then i-add nimo kung unsa imong gi-add sa pikas, mapuri mong i-add sa right side. So to get this term right here, we are going to use b over 2 squared, in which b is 1, right? So 1 divided by 2, that's 1 half. I-square nimo, that's 1/4. Then here, 3 divided by 2, that's 3 halves. And squared nimo, that is 9 over 4. So you're going to add 1/4 and 9 over 4 here as well. Then you're going to factor out. So that would be x minus 1 half squared plus y plus 3 halves squared. Okay? So, guys, good. Remember lang ninyo ang square root ani is mo na iyang term dire. Square root ani mo pa ang term dire ah. Okay, that is in completing the square. Is equal to, i-add nimo ng 3 halves plus 1/4 plus 9/4. So that is 4 divided 2. 2 times is 6 plus 1 plus 9. So that is 10 plus 6, 16 over 4. This is equal to 4. Okay, therefore, you already have the h and the k and the radius. All right. Okay. The question is that just express it into standard form. But what if ang question is to find the center and the radius? What's your answer for that one? So the center for this one would be positive 1/2 and negative 3/2. And your radius is center, then radius is equal to 2. Okay? Anong positive? Remember that's x minus h, no? Plus y minus k. Therefore, your center is positive 1/2 and negative 3/2. Okay, one of the dilemmas that we face sa given na equation is this equation a circle? Is this equation a hyperbola? So, karon ma-determine nato na this is circle because mama na tong lesson. But what if ina nila ang question? You do not know what kind of equation this is, okay? So, pag ina na gani, we have to verify it first, okay? By solving. That's why thank you algebra for helping us, no? So magiging pag i-factor out nato siya magiging 4 times x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 12y, tama ba? Is equal to, transpose na lang nato si negative 99 para siya ma-appeal. Okay. So next step, we are going to use completing the square once again. X squared minus 2x plus blank plus y squared plus 12y plus blank is equal to negative 99. Okay, actually, pwede lang nagyapon niyo siya i-divide tanan by 4 or pwede inanin niyo siya, no? So I'm showing you 2 steps on how to solve it. Katong isa is katong kaganina, i-divide niyo siya by 4 or by 2 rather, kani siya is inanin gapon but it will just yield you to the same answer, no? Okay, so the thing here is that you're going to 2 divide 2, that's 1, right? Yeah, square nimo that's still 1. There is 12 divide 2, that's 6. Square nimo that's 36. Okay. But kung unsa inyong gi-add dire, mo pud mi add dire tama. But there is a 4 here na i-multiply pa nimo. Therefore, dili 1 ug 36 ang i-add sa right side. Magiging 4 and 36 times 4, that's 144 na siya. Okay? So, you can have your final answer as, you can have your answer as 4 times x minus 1 squared. Tama? Tama. Yes. Plus 4 times y plus 6 squared is equal to 144 minus 99. That's 45 plus 4, that's 49. Okay. And then, if you divide all of it by 4, you will have x minus 1 squared plus y plus 6 squared is equal to 49 over 4. Therefore, this equation is a circle. Okay, so the question is to find the radius and the center. Okay, to find the radius, sorry, sabay radius and center. Find the radius, find the radius and the center. So the radius here is delete 49 over 4, but the square root of it. Diba? Kaya ang equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Therefore, your radius would be the square root of 49 over 4, which is 7 over 2. And your center is positive 1 and negative 6. This is your final answer. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know and message me on Blackboard. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.